Hello everyone, this is BabarTradesWorld. In this video, I want to go over 5 major tools that I use when I'm charting and executing my trades, aside from the actual execution platform, and make sure you wait till the end because there's a little bit of a bonus that I want to include that I think is absolutely essential when you're trading and you want to be quick in and out of markets. The first obviously are candlesticks. I think that this forms the basis of all technical analysis. Candlesticks showcase to you where price is moving. So if a candlestick opens at a specific level, closes at a specific level, or if it moves above or below specific levels, candlesticks are essential because they showcase to you buying behavior and how you're able to make a decision on which price to get in at and which price to exit. The second tool that every technical analysis trader needs is volume. I like to think of volume as telling me how price is moving. So there's 3 major types of volumes that I typically look for: volumes that are igniting, volumes that are ending, and volumes that are resting. Based on how the price action is on the chart, if I'm looking at a breakout or a buy setup, if I'm expecting a move to be up or towards the downside, these type of volumes show me how price is moving and give me a better indication as to how to execute my trade, whether it's time to wait or sit on the sideline, stay cash. So for example, this is a breakout pattern right here on the chart of Tesla. If I see this and I jump in right when the 2 bars have already triggered, I'm a little bit late to the entry. I'd rather wait for a pullback and at the same time expect some resting volume to happen at the same time. And then once this is resting above the moving averages or it's ready to trigger and I decide to take my entry, that's where I want to see volume start to kick in and start to rise. The third tool, as you can see on my charts, are moving averages. I typically use 3 different types of moving averages. One is the 20 moving average, which is the blue line. I have the 50 moving average, which is the gray line. And I have the 200 simple moving average. The other 2 here are exponential, but this one specifically is simple because that's what the institution is using. And I want to see what the institution is looking at in terms of bullish or bearish price action. So anytime over the 200 moving average, when the stock is trending upwards, it is a confirmed bullish trend. And if it's trending below, like in this case of Tesla, before all this price action, the price action was below the moving average right here. And so it was trending down, showing more bearish momentum than bullish. In addition to the tools you see in front of me, I also have time and sales. Time and sales really helps me ensure that I'm able to read the tape and ensure that where I'm looking to buy and exit, there are significant buyers or sellers. I also like to look at time and sales because it gives me an idea based on the colors that I see here on whether there's stronger buying pressure or stronger selling pressure. How I use the time and sales is really, really simple. Whenever I see green, whether it's the text that's green or the filled out green, that means that I know that the prices and the shares are being filled at the ask or above. If it's shaded green, it's definitely being above the ask, which shows more buyer's commitment. When the color is red, so if there's a red text or if it's a shaded red box, that means the orders are being filled at or below the bid, which signals to me that there's more selling pressure. By using time and sales and seeing how quickly the orders are going through, it also helps me understand when I'm entering as other buyers are entering or where I'm exiting where other sellers are exiting, and combining these and understanding how to read tape is really essential. The 5th element that I want to talk about is level 1 or level 2. I used to use level 2 where it gives you a depth of data all the way below where there's the highest bid or the lowest ask, and furthermore, more depth in the information. But over time, I realized that I mostly focus on price action from the candlesticks charts and volume, the time and sales, and level 1 seems to be sufficient for me. This is a personal preference of mine, but it does help me understand where there are more buyers and where there are more sellers. As a bonus, I also think it's important to reflect on tools that you may not see as important right away, but that actually help you execute flawlessly. So I like to have a watch list in front of me at all times. And the reason I find that this is really helpful is that I'm able to make switches on which stock that I'm watching. By using the watch list, I'm able to make changes to the chart that I'm seeing in front of me. For example, right now I'm on Tesla and quickly I want to see the chart of Nvidia. Rather than having to type it or make a spelling error, I'm quickly able to switch and have Nvidia's chart in front of me very fast. So the 5 tools that I use along with the bonus include candlesticks, volume, moving averages, time and sales, level 1 or level 2 if that's a personal preference of yours. And as a bonus, I think the watch list is actually something not discussed often, but if you have it in front of you, you're able to make quick decisions, you're able to change your charts effectively, and this has helped me a lot in my trading every single day. If you gain value from this video, please make sure to subscribe and let me know in the comments below which of these tools you find the most useful and if there's other tools that you're looking to use on a day-to-day basis in your trading journey. Thanks again.